Let me show you how I created this simple progress bar in Excel that automatically adjusts. Fantastic for you to monitor your progress and your project. Progress bar, enter this formula equals to rect. Now put your double quotation, add a vertical line for our bar, close the quotation, put your comma. Now divide the current hour by the targeted hour and then multiply it by 100. Now close your parentheses. Now to format in percentage without a decimal, add your text function, text, and then divide also the current hour by the targeted hour, and then put in your percentage in quotation, open your double quotation, and put 0% this way to format the bar without a decimal, and then close the quotation, close the formula, and hit on enter. Now apply to the other cells this way, and then change your font to stencil, and then you can now change to the color that you want, and then we have our progress bar. So whenever you change it, automatically your bar will be updated. Subscribe for more. Thank you.